Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make a delicious caramel apple bread pudding. First off, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now go ahead and grab yourself a loaf of cinnamon raisin bread. Take out 10 of those slices and go ahead and cut those slices into cubes. Now you want to go ahead and put your bread into a bowl separately and set that over to the side. Here I have 6 Honeycrisp apples. The recipe calls for 3 medium Granny Smith apples, but I could not find those anywhere. So I opted to go ahead and use 6 small Honeycrisp. Go ahead and peel, core, and chop up those apples and set those over to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and add a half of a stick of melted butter all over your cinnamon raisin bread chunks. Now grab a spoon and stir those up really well until every single chunk has got some butter on it. Now go ahead and grab yourself an 8x8 or 9x9 casserole dish and butter the bottom and the sides of that dish. Now we're going to go ahead and do our layering. Now go ahead and put half of your apples on the bottom of your casserole dish. Next we're going to go ahead and put half of our cinnamon raisin bread on the top of that, then spread out evenly. Now this right here is what makes this a caramel apple bread pudding. Grab yourself a jar of caramel sauce. You know, the caramel sauce that you put on your ice cream and your banana splits. Go ahead and put half of that jar on the top of your bread. Now we're going to go ahead and repeat our layers. We're going to put our apples, our cinnamon raisin bread, and the remaining amount of our caramel sauce. Next, you'll want to go ahead and place your bread pudding in your 350 degree preheated oven for approximately 25 to 40 minutes or until the top is nice and brown and your apples are nice and tender. Go ahead and serve that up with some vanilla ice cream and put some of that nice hot caramel sauce on top. I hope you all enjoy, y'all. Until next time, bye now.